How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use Boolean and part design in FreeCAD. So we are inside part design, and then I'm just going to create a simple sketch or a simple shape. Basically, we are going to use the Boolean in order to join objects together. So let's just click path, click OK. From there, create body. Let's go ahead and put another object on top of this object right here, or this sketch. So let's do something really simple, which is adding another box. Click close, click path, and now we have two objects. So let's go ahead and apply the Boolean operator. So I'm going to select the second body, right click on it, click transform, and just make sure that both of my objects are aligned together. Right after that, I'm going to select my first body, and then I'm simply right clicking on it, click on active body. And then now let's click on the Boolean operator. Let's go ahead and select add body. Let's click our main shape. And then from there, we have successfully combined them together, as you can go ahead and see. So in here, we have something like fuse, cut, or common. Click OK. And then once again, from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.